let's check out the YouTube assets in the Camtasia library. Hey everyone, it's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so let's take a look at the YouTube assets that are in the Camtasia library. And in specific, I'm talking about Camtasia 2024. So I actually have not fully checked this out, so it's going to be kind of like my initial reaction. I did an overview video a while ago, but I didn't really play with the media and everything like that. So when you're in Camtasia, and you do need to be in the 2024 version, head over to Media, then go over to the library here. And this specifically is the assets that you get already in the Camtasia 2024, because this right here, this is a Camtasia assets, and they do have some in here, but there's also like a paid thing as well. The one I'm talking about is in the library, and click on the drop down here and head over to Camtasia 2024. If you're ever uncertain which version of Camtasia you have, you can always just go here and it will say the latest one. So right here you can see that it says Camtasia 2024, because I know it looks similar to 2023 and 2022. So let's click on this, and then here it's under Channel Kit. So I'm just going to open the folder, and you've got these cool features here. So I want to check these out and see if I would be interested in using them, customizing them, and I thought I'd film this video and show you guys. Alright, so let's just bring these down to the timeline and take a look. So let's see here, boxy subscribe. That looks like a weird word, boxy. Okay, so I brought it down to the timeline, and I can see before it plays, I can see there's a bunch of customization that you can do with color and changing of the text. Let's see here, let me play it. Interesting. I like that little tiny, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me just make it bigger. You can see this little tiny animation that happens with the little megaphone. That's cute. Let's do that again. You can see it. that thing is so cool. That's pretty cool. Very clean. Depends on what your vibe is, what your channel is, but you can change everything here. You can change the colors to match your branding, which I usually recommend to do if you have a brand. Alright, that's cool. Boxy subscribe. Let's go on to the next one. Oh, I like this one. The buy now button. Oh wow, okay, there's lots of colors happening here. Let's see what happens. Let's bring it over here. Click play. Interesting. I feel like I would like that one because we do sell things from our YouTube channel. We sell our courses, we sell coaching, we do have our affiliate links. So I think I would mainly use this for our courses. And of course, I'd have to go through and take some time to customize this properly, because you can see there are lots of different colors and shades going on here. So I actually like this button. That's pretty cool. Perhaps you'll see it in future videos. And of course, if you customize any of these, you want to make sure that you do the customization as you'd like it. Even if you know where the placement is, set that. And then once you're done, you can right click and then click add to library. And then you can add it to a specific library that you already have or create a new one. And I always leave it as use canvas size, because it's like, if I know that a button's always going to be like in the middle or at the bottom or on the right or on the left, you can already place it there and save it as is to the library, so that when you drag it down for future, that it's ready to go. So that's really cool. I'm going to click cancel because I'll need some time to do that in the future. Let's check out the buy now vertical button. Oh, this is just for mobile. So I probably won't be using that. And you'll see this come up. You'll see here, you added a high frame rate video to your project. Do you want to change the editing frame rate to 60 seconds per second? I usually just leave it at 30 frames per second, and then it's just fine. It plays normally. So if I click play, then it does its normal animation. And that's for vertical, so if you're editing for mobile. So that's going to be good for like Instagram Reels or any of the vertical videos. Let's take a look at this like, subscribe, brand glow. what's this look like? Oh, I haven't seen any of this stuff, so this is really interesting. Again, that thing comes up. I can see that we would need to place a logo in there, but let's see here. I'm gonna click play. Oh, interesting. Not sure how I feel about that one. I mean, maybe I would have to test out a logo. Not sure if I would use that one. Let's go on to the next one here, the subscribe button. Let's click play. Interesting. I would use different colors, obviously, but that was cool. I'd have to play it a couple times. Interesting. That is definitely a running contender of something that I might use. And the last one here, because these ones are pretty much the same, the subscribe vertical, and then the other subscribe vertical, that's this one's that one, and then this one is that one. So they're just in vertical. Oh, this one. Let's click play. Just the classic subscribe with the bell icon there. That looks cool. Might use that one. Either leave it the same or change a few colors, or change it to our purple entirely. And then, like I said, these are the vertical ones, the same of the previous ones. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool that Camtasia does give you these YouTube channel assets. I'm going to customize the buy now and the buy now vertical, and then possibly this one or the other subscribe. Every year they usually give like a few new things in each of the folders. So it's cool that they're giving us YouTube stuff because they know that a lot of people who are using Camtasia are editing videos for YouTube. Give me a thumbs up if you thought this video was cool, and if you want to edit in Camtasia like I do and fast track your Camtasia learning, head down to the description below as I have my Camtasia course. It was recently updated and has over 13 hours of videos and lectures, and you get lifetime access to it. You can watch all my Camtasia tutorials without any ads and at any time. The link for that will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.